It's day 2 of my home and garden porch makeover. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less gas in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today I'm going to get these 2 flowers into the containers that they're going to live in. In day 1, I showed you the purple Martha Washington geranium that I have purchased. And then this one is in the pink family of that Martha Washington geranium. And I'm thinking that I'm going to put this one in this pot because this pot will get some sun and I can put something else in here with it. And then this Gabera daisy, I'm going to put in this pot. Let me get it out of here. I picked up this pot on sale just the other day at Joann's. I'm really liking the galvanized steel containers, and I like the brown rustic piece that's on there, and it goes perfectly with what I've got out here on the porch. But the thing about these Gabera daisies, and I love them, and I always regret it that I bought them, is they take so long to flower. So once these blooms die down, it'll be forever before there's new blooms. So I'm going to put them in this container by themselves because once the blooms are gone, there'll still be great foliage and then the other blooms will come up. And so I'm going to put them here so they can live here all by themselves. So let's get that started. Oh, my gloves. I gotta grab my gloves, hang on. See if I've got one. So I got this old plant container out of the shed and I cut the bottom out of it. It's like right here. I cut it down the side and I'm going to put it in here because I realized that the dirt will just come right out of there. So I'm going to put this in here and it's a perfect fit once I cut it down the side. And I need to put a couple stones at the bottom just to make sure there's proper drainage. Now we'll put some dirt in this pot. It is so windy out here today. I'm a little worried about my camera. I'm afraid it might blow over. So that's why I keep looking over there at it. So I'll turn it upside down. Squeeze the bottom. Rough up the grits just a little bit. Set it right down in there. This is a beautiful plant. And sometimes I'll buy so many things all at once that I'm overwhelmed. And then some of them die before I get them in the ground. So I decided this time I would try to get them in little by little. And actually I'm early buying things. I just couldn't resist. I just had to do a garden walkthrough at Lowe's. And I just could not resist. I knew it was too early, but I was just so sick of winter and not having these pretties out, and I thought, okay, I'll just buy these. And I can put them in the garage on the nights that we may have a frost. So, I'm thinking this looks pretty good, so I'm going to set it aside for a second and get this other one in the pot. But look at that, isn't it gorgeous? So we'll put that one over there. I'm going to use this pot, and I can put anywhere from 3 to 4 items in this pot. So once again, I'll put some rocks at the bottom to help with drainage. Okay, I've got about 3 inches from the top. So now I'll make a little well here in the center. with the container first of all. So I know exactly where this is going to go. Rough that up just a little. These are getting dry too, so it's time to get these in the dirt. Now I've got these little pansies. Let's see about putting maybe a couple of these down in here. They're pretty small and they don't get very tall. Let's try that. We'll see how that works. If they don't do okay in here, no big deal. But it gives me a little additional color, and the foliage is about the same shade of green, so I'm not getting any contrast there. Okay. Now let's get these watered in. I'm going to put these over here to water them in because I don't want a mud bath right there. I'm going to really soak them for this first watering. Woo! It's a lot heavier now. So here's your question for today. What part of the work that I had to do today was most interesting to you? Was it creating a liner for this particular container, or what? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years. I'm a nurse by profession, and I have grown a lot of flowers over the time. So if you want to learn more about running a home, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, health and beauty, and a little bit about gardening and flowers, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to finish sweeping the water off this porch, and I'll keep it moving.